Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use landing pages full guide. Start by defining one clear goal for each landing page and map that goal to a single call to action. Keep headlines concise and benefits focused, and use strong visual hierarchy so visitors scan quickly. Test variations of headlines, images, and CTAs with a /B splits to improve conversion. Track metrics like conversion rate, bounce rate, and goal completions to iterate. Design landing pages with clarity and fast load speeds to reduce drop-offs. Use a single prominent CTA above the fold and supportive secondary CTAs below. Leverage social proof and concise benefit statements to build trust. Use responsive layouts and optimize images so pages load well on mobile and desktop. Keep forms short, ask only essential information, and explain why you need each field to encourage completion. Measure form abandonment and iterate on friction points to increase leads. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this guide, please really subscribe and like to support more content. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading landing page books anywhere with a glare-free screen and long battery life, making research simple and portable. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and consider a trial if you read often. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Drive targeted traffic using segmented ads, email lists, and organic search intent to boost relevant visitors. Use a /B test for headlines, images, and CTAs to learn what converts best. Analyze user recordings and heat maps to find friction and drop-off points. Calculate CPA, ROAS, and conversion rate to evaluate campaigns. Track cohorts and lifetime value to inform targeting and creative. Continuously iterate on messaging and design, and reallocate budget to top funnels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.